Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Hi, my name's Phil, and I am the owner of this 1966 Impala station wagon, as you can see. Mostly original. It has Ride Tech, Air Ride front and rear, intro 3-piece wheels, original paint color, but it has been repainted, base coat, clear coat. Bit of a rare option car. It has AM/FM stereo. Original big block with air conditioning car from California. The frame has been powder coated, new floors, everything like that. You know, lots of green interior. No third row seat. That's probably number one question I get. All the air ride stuff is hidden underneath the floor back there.
Hopefully you have a family that can use this, right?
Oh yeah. Good. I can fit about 2 or 3 families in this one.
There you go. And you know what I like about this? You don't see these moldings.
Oh yeah, the moldings, and especially the one around the gas filler door. So guy ordered a lot of trim pieces on it. Yeah, 4-wheel disc brakes. Motor is 396. It's been rebuilt. Has a original 12-bolt rear end. And a 700 R4 trans for highway cruising. Air has been updated to 134. The only thing I really did, added the alternator to kind of modernize it, you know.
And were you looking for this, or did you?
Was not looking for a wagon at all. You know, I'm a bit of a younger guy, 38, and looking at, I sold a Chevelle that I had all built up and was looking for another Nova, Chevelle, Camaro. Said, oh, you know what, let me look up Impalas, and this one popped up, happened to be a wagon.
Right.
So.
Are you a Seinfeld fan?
Oh yeah, yes.
And why are
Who
you
isn't?
Why are you a Seinfeld fan?
You know, because I'm an ass man.
That is so funny. That is so funny. And then so you bought the car, you bought it almost this way.
Pretty much, yeah.
Did you do anything to it?
Just got tired of building cars myself, you know, the time and money. Said I'm buying something done, air, cruiser, kind of get out of the hot rod scene a little bit.
There you go.
Future plans going to be probably a big stereo, maybe change the wheels up.
Actually, I like those rims. I like those
Yeah.
rims a lot. And then
All right. So it is factory motor. Maybe I think it has a RV cam in it or something, but go ahead and start this thing up so we could hear it. You want the mic for the thing?
Okay. Thanks. You've done this before.
No, I'm just a natural.
Right. There you go. That sounds great. Rev it a couple times. That's good. That's nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. That is sweet. So you can control that by a
digital handheld controller here. Each corner is independent. You know, those are presets, or I can do each corner. You watch the front end.
Okay, got it. That is nice. I want one.
And that's it. Thank you again for enjoying my 1966 Impala wagon. Be sure to like and follow. Thank you.
Guys, please subscribe and like our videos and share. Thank you.